Robotics technology has been advancing rapidly over the years, and it's fascinating to see the latest developments. From advanced sensors and improved artificial intelligence to new materials and manufacturing techniques, the latest robotics technology is transforming the way we live, work, and play. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the latest robotics technology and its potential impact on our lives. One of the most exciting developments in robotics technology is the emergence of collaborative robots, or cobots, which are designed to work alongside human workers. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms that allow them to sense and respond to human movements, making them ideal for tasks that require a high level of precision or dexterity. Another major development in robotics technology is the use of 3D printing to create robot parts and components. This technique allows engineers to create custom-designed parts quickly and cost-effectively, reducing production times and costs. Additionally, robots made using 3D printing are often lighter and more durable than those made using traditional manufacturing techniques. Advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, are also transforming the capabilities of robotics technology. AI algorithms can help robots learn from their surroundings and adapt to new situations, making them more versatile and adaptable. For example, AI-powered robots can be used in healthcare settings to help patients with rehabilitation exercises or in manufacturing settings to automate complex tasks. In addition to these developments, researchers are also exploring new materials and manufacturing techniques to create more sophisticated robots. For instance, SoftRobotics uses flexible and elastic materials to create robots that can bend, stretch, and deform like biological organisms. This technology has applications in healthcare, where soft robots can be used to assist with surgeries or help patients with mobility issues. As these and other robotics technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see them used in a wide range of industries and applications. From manufacturing and healthcare to agriculture and space exploration, robots will play an increasingly important role in our lives. They will help us perform tasks more efficiently, improve safety and reduce costs. In conclusion, the latest robotics technology is both fascinating and transformative. It offers a glimpse into a future where robots work alongside humans, making our lives easier and more productive. As these technologies continue to evolve, it's important for researchers, engineers, and policymakers to work together to ensure that they are used ethically and responsibly. The potential benefits of robotics technology are enormous, and it's up to us to harness them for the greater good. Thanks for watching.